Relax, I have to me have Shan Shan money.
How are you doing now, man?
Shan Shan come, me have our money.
You want something for your height?
Yeah. Money.
Fast. Shit. Quick now, dog. Oh, you gotta catch on, bro. Quick now, man. Yo, hold this.
Yeah.
You hold the phone. You hold the phone. You hold the phone. Yeah.
You know, say, boy, owe me. And a long time owe me, you know. I want my money.
You owe ya?
Yeah, him owe me.
I want Papi even more, you know. You're not the only person who know. Boy, you know, say you owe me one time, but he pay me back still. But tell you what, come back tomorrow.
You sure you never see him?
Come back tomorrow, man.
You never seen him?
No, man, I don't see him no time at all. No time
You
at all.
sure? Because I swear I see him phone that.
No. You just get this from foreign, man.
Make sure.
Me I tell you, man.
If me know say you see him,
No.
me I come for you later.
So how me get in this?
Me don't know. You tell me. Now tell my phone that.
But a skins me name. How me reaching out the argument?
Give me phone.
But no, what me I talk to one girl, you know, you see it. And she says so.
No,
man, she sent me a picture right now and me can't show you.
You phone him bring.
No, man. Try back next week. Try back tomorrow.
Alright, me come back tomorrow. A matter of fact, you see, when we come tomorrow and me not get my money, me, I go chop it.
Dog, she gone.
Yeah, man,
You sure she gone?
Yeah,
dog?
man.
Look, now, hold on, I'm come down there.
Take your time, boss. Take your time.
Hey. Bomba, dog, this look on it.
No. So you go up there fast and
You don't know there. You don't know, so I'm a black man. I'm afraid of heights.
Take your time.
Hold on, come afraid of that. Yeah.
Somebody have called you there. I hope I somebody you know there.
Look and say. Probably a she.
Probably a she. Alright. Me hang up. You didn't call.
Oh, Jesus.
Boss, you know what she said? She said if you don't bring him money tomorrow, she will go
Chop it. You never forget money from bring it here tomorrow.
What you ask me?
Dog, let me some money now, please.
Where me get it from?
Me don't know that money from someone. Now you chop it.
Well, my youth, you have to go to one of them hospital
And do what?
and hide out.
Trap.